Yes, the beans, red beans, that is what I'm going to use to steam my bread. Once I steam, then I have to close it. I'll leave it to cook for 15 minutes. So I'm going to pour little bit by bit warm water, lukewarm water. So I mix the flour, brown flour and white flour, cake flour. I'll show you once I'm done mixing. I've added oil, cooking oil. So now I'm going to mix. Make sure that the dough is stiff. So as you can see, so I'll leave it to rise. As you can see, I've covered it with the plastic bag, the clean plastic bag. We leave it for 30 minutes to 45 minutes to rise. As there's no sun outside, so that is why I put the plastic, so that it will help to suffocate it and rise, so there's no air that is going inside the dough. So now the dough is ready. It's double the size. Alright, I just want to show you the plastic. Now my dough is double the size, you see. So now I'm going to, you'll see my next stage, make the balls and put it again in the oven and wait for another 15 minutes to rise. As you can see, this is I'm going to put in the oven, this one, and this I'm going to steam. I'm going to make it as a steam fried or steam bun, like a dumpling. Yeah, so that is, so now I'm going to press it in the oven. It's off for it to rise again, so you will see when it is ready for it. Yes, the beans, red beans, that is what I'm going to use to steam my bread. Once I steam, then I have to close it. I'll leave it to cook for 15 minutes. That is where I'll check. Yeah. Yes. So let's see and taste if the dumpling is. Look at it. The stick have to, so I'll leave it for some minutes again for it to be cooked again. Yeah, so my dombolo is ready. My bread, it's ready 100%. As you can see, nothing stick. See, So they said you have to use a toothpick to, you know, to put in, I don't know how to say, or to stick in, so that you know if your dombolo is ready. And also my beans are ready. So for now I just want to dish for my small pequeno and the soup. Put more soup. This is for my small pekin. Yeah. All right. Let's check the buns. Wow. This is what I was saying. Look, the way they raise. Now I can turn on the what? The oven. So I'll start with the grill, not with the back. Then the should be 180. Yeah, there. You see? So I'll leave it to cook. So now I want to try and cut and see the result of the dumpling. So that is the result. My steamed bread, yeah. Nice. And let's check in here. Yo guys, this is the nice one. This is so nice. I think sekufutile pants. Ngiyabona lapho ku goldish pants kancane. Let me light a top which is grill. Yeah, that is grill. Leave them. Let me switch off the back. Yeah, so here you go. Enough beans with the dumpling. Now it has begun to become goldish. Now as you can see it, yeah. So look guys, look at it. Jane's Bakery. This is Jane's Bakery, guys. But I'm going to name myself Jane's Bakery. So leave it again for the side to become more goldish. Yeah. Because this is nice. It's the steamed bread. It's my first attempt of steaming the bread. But for the buns, those ones, round buns, it's not the first one. I used to do that. Oh, and it's so nice. It tastes nice. So today, I don't want the pap. I want this. One day I'll show you how to cook this. The It is so nice. It is so nice. I'm enjoying. It just sounds yummy. My buns are ready. Ready. So I just want to create a space to just pull this. Then I'll pull this. Look, guys. So yummy. So if you do this, you no need of buying bread every time, because like right now the bread is too expensive. Yeah, I'm trying to switch off the stove. Yeah, for last result I have to apply margarine on top, because the crunch, you see, it's so hard, the crust. So I want it to become soft by applying the butter. That's how I do.
No.
Yes.
So, just stay
What's wrong? What happened?
I want to continue.
No, I'm done.
All right. Now, the citizens should all premise a kasi hamba. We should offer prayers. And then, because kusasa unabusemsebenzini. Mina mebengcene yagcina ngambonanga lami.
All right.
Nihambe mzaphenduka.
No, I'm done now. Okay. So as you can see, so yeah, that's how we remove it. You see, yeah, that is the final result. As you can see, that is the final result. I think I promised you long time ago. It was last year when I bake a bread. So that is the on this recipe again. You can even make a bread. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you are doing well. I didn't greet you. Okay, my name is Jane Mazoe. If you are new to this channel, may you please kindly subscribe my channel and turn on the notification button so that whenever I post the video, you'll be notified. Yeah, so thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel. Let's grow together, road to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you, guys. Bye.